see. This is the tender. If I want to raise the height, I can put some few stick and then try. So the stick won't fall off. You see. Then this is just a temporary one. This block is 1 1/4. Then even though I have raised 1 1/4, then this one what does it call, cultivation plate, and the transom, the bottom of the transom, I still have a maybe good 1 inch. See, so I don't want to raise too much. So maybe I will try early one a small increment first.